Hello dear friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach your science book. Your science book name is Big Bang, a book of science. Let's come to the topic. Your first chapter is living and non-living things. This is your science book and this is your hard copy. First I know about what is science. Science is the study of facts or truths systematically arranged and showing the operation of general laws. That means science does not believe anything without scientific proof. Let's come to the topic. The topic is living and non-living things. First we know about what is things. Whatever you see or notice in your surrounding, like tree, bucket, pen, pencil, these all are the things. Out of them, things are two types. First one is natural things, second one is man-made things. There are some pictures like bus, car, cup, cabbage, cat, banana, beer, bucket, etc. Out of them, some are natural things and some are man-made things. What is natural things? Things which are not made by human being, like banana, cat, cabbage, camel, beer, they all are natural things. That means they are made by our creator God. Then next, man-made things, things which are made by human beings like bus, car, cup, cat, bucket, bag, ball, they all are man-made things. That means they all are made by our human being. Next, also things are two types, that is living things and non-living things. Non-living things including man-made things. First we know about what is living things. Things which have life in them are called living things, like animals and plants. Then next, what is non-living things? Things which have not life in them are called non-living things. That means they do not grow on their own, they do not move one place to another place, they do not take breath. Then come to the topic, what is the difference between living things and non-living things? It is also the futures of living things. First, living things, what is the difference between living things and living things? Living things, first one is living things breathe, living things need food, living things reproduce, living things grow, living things move, living things respond. Then we know what is the difference between living things and non-living things. First one is living things breath. What is breath? Now the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. It's called breathing. That means आप लोग जब सांस में ऑक्सीजन लेते हो और निकालने के टाइम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकालते हो, वो दोनों को मिलाकर ब्रीथिंग होता है. नेक्स्ट, इस ब्रीथिंग के लिए हर एक एनिमल का अलग अलग होता है ऑर्गन और प्लांट का भी अलग ऑर्गन होता है. जैसे ह्यूमन लंग्स, दिस इज ह्यूमन लंग्स, इट हेल्प्स ह्यूमन्स टू टेक ब्रीथिंग. दिस इज गिल्स, this is it helps fish to take breath. Like also cat, dog and poach and cow, they also take breath like human lungs. Next, there are some other animals like insects, they take breath, their holes, this is their holes, this is called air holes, they take breath, this type of holes. And next, also frog. Frog has two breathing parts. First one is skin and second one is skin and second one is lungs. When he live in land, he take breath through lungs. When he live in water, he take also skin. Then next, but non-living things do not take breath. That means जैसे आपका कार या बस, आपका पेन या बुक, कोई भी सांस नहीं लेता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो. दैट मीन्स लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो, दैट मीन्स लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो with a particular time. That means देखो, this is infants grow into a baby, then grow into a child, then grow into adult. ऐसे ही देखो यहाँ पर प्लांट्स है, जैसे सीड जर्मिनेशन होता है प्लांट हो बड़ा होकर होता है tree. That means a seed converted into a tree. ऐसे ही एक puppy converted into a dog, a kitten grows into a cat, and a kids grow into a goat. That is living things grow. But non-living things does not grow in size. That means अगर आप एक पेन को ऐसे रखे हो 2 दिन के बाद देखो वो ऐसे ही रहेगी, इसके में कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. Next come to the next point is living things need food. That means all the living things need food to get energy and to grow. Animals and plants cannot live without food. That means देखो यहाँ पर एक बच्चा खाना खा रहा है और यहाँ पर अगर गाय घास खा रहा है, मतलब ये दोनों ही लिविंग थिंग्स है, उन दोनों को ही खाना चाहिए. Green plants can make their own food, but human beings and animals does not make their own food. So human beings and animals depends on plants for their food, but green plants make their food with the help of photosynthesis. But non-living things does not need food because they are not non-living things. The next point is living things moves. That means you can move from one place to another place. Also me move from one place to another place. Living things can move on their own. They are all are like child, cat, dog, fish, birds. They all are living things because they can move from one place to another place with the help of their different organs. Like a child can move with the help of their leg, a bird can move with the help of their wings, and a fish can move with the help of their gills. But non-living things does not move on their own. They can move from one place to another place with the help of others. And next point is living things reproduce. That means living things reproduce more than living things of the same kind by the process of reproduction. That means एक लिविंग थिंग्स आपकी जैसा और एक लिविंग थिंग्स को जन्म दे सकता है. कौन सा प्रोसेस है? रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस से. बट एनिमल्स and human beings they are reproduced through eggs or infants, but plants reproduce through seed, stem and leaves, but non-living things does not reproduce. The next point is living things respond. That means when you get hurt you feel sad, you cry, but when a child get a gift he is feel happy, so he smile. That means living things can feel and non-living things does not feel. That means अगर आप एक पेन को ऐसे भी उसको करो तो उसको कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज बट ए प्लांट कैन ऑल्सो फील. देखो दिस इज मिमोसा प्लांट. व्हेन वी टच द लीव्स ऑफ द मिमोसा it folds its leaves. That means it can feel. This is the difference between living things and non-living things. Then come to difference between plants and animals. Plants and animals both are living things, but they have some difference. Like plants and animals, movement, structure and growth, breathing and food. Plants, movement. Plants cannot move from one place to another because they do not want food from others. But animals move from one place to another place in search of food, water and shelter. Next, structure and growth. Plants have a breathing body which grows throughout their life. That means plants have not definite periods to grow, but animals have a definite body structure and they grow only a fixed period. Next one is breathing. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, but animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe through stomata, but animals breathe through their breathing organs like lungs, gills, skins, air holes. And next, food. Green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Reproduction. Plants reproduce either through seeds or through some other parts of the body like stem, leaf, root. But animals reproduce either by giving birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Next point, interdependence between plants and animals. That means how can plants and animals depends on each other. There are only two parts. That first is the plants, they depends on each other for their food, for their exchange of gases, and second for their food. When animals breathe in oxygen that is produced by green plants and breathing out carbon dioxide which is required for plants to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. This is the interdependence, that means they depend on between plants and animals. This is your hard copy and this is your book. You follow both of them and prepare yourself for your exam. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and wait for my next class.